Ah! My socks! Yes, they're my socks! Oh, Humphrey! They don't smell, I just washed them! Were you joking? Oh, I brought them here to see if we could find any matching pairs. Oh, you'd help me match them? I would love you to help me match the pairs. Would you like to help too? Okay. Got lots of different socks here. Okay, here we go. Let's see if we can find some matching pairs. Okay. Oh, Humphrey, I don't think they're a matching pair. A matching pair of socks needs to be exactly the same. They need to be the same colour, which they are. They're both orange, but they need to be the same length. And if they have patterns, they need to have the same patterns. So they need to be exactly the same. Good try though. Any other matching pairs? Ah, a blue sock. And another blue sock. Oh, and they've both got white on them. Humphrey, that's another really good try. But do you see how this sock has a pattern on it? Has a smiley face, and this one doesn't. So they're not a matching pair of socks. Good try though. That's really good. Oh. Ah, you found another smiley face. Ah, good work. Well, they're exactly the same sock. They both have smiley faces and they're the same length, but they're different colours, so they don't match. So orange, blue, red. Ah, yellow socks. Ah, two different shades of yellows, and this one has a cherry pattern. I think you're getting closer though, Humphrey. Oh, you don't think there's any matching pairs here? I'm sure we can find at least one matching pair. Same length but different colours. Oh. Ah, that looks very familiar. Do you recognise this cherry pattern? Let's see if there's a matching sock for it. Oh, Humphrey, look! They're both the same colour, they're the same length, and they both have a cherry pattern. We did it! We found a matching pair of socks. Now, I'll have to find somewhere and something to do with those other socks. I'm sure we'll figure out something. Do you think you can? Shall we give it a try?